Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. I have some laundry going, so sorry if you can hear that. I'm kind of cleaning up the house a little bit. I just washed the dishes, cleaned up the kitchen. It's about 12 o'clock, so I'm going to make myself a smoothie, and then I have some office work to do, and then maybe we'll go outside and do some yard work. So a little time has gone by. I've just been kind of cleaning up around the house. I was sending out my Mother's Day cards. Now I'm going to prep some dinner. I wanted to grill, but we ran out of propane in our grill, so we might get that when my husband gets home. But I'm just going to prep a couple things. Even if we don't end up grilling, I could always use it tomorrow. We could just marinate. I have some chicken. I'm going to cut into strips and marinate that, and I'm just going to grill it and use it for like salads. I could have chicken and rice. You could even put it in tacos, whatever. You could use a lot of chicken for anything. I just like to have it grilled, this way it's prepped and easy to use. Also, I bought corn. I love corn. My husband not too crazy about it. In one of the videos I usually put like butter and a bunch of spices, put it on there, wrap it up in foil and put it on the grill. It comes out really good. Or I'll just boil it on the stove. I love that too. And I think that's pretty much it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and have that ready for dinner. So I have my corn. I just had some soft butter. I put some spices into it, mixed it all together, and then I ripped up some foil to wrap the corn in. It's really easy. You just put the butter on the corn, roll it up, and it's ready to go. So I had bought some ground beef and turkey. I wanted to make little meatballs, and you could do meatballs and spaghetti. You can put them into soup. So I just mixed some ground turkey, ground beef. You can just do chicken, turkey, whatever. I just mixed the two. That's what I had. I added about 2 eggs, a little bit of mayo, salt, peppers, some of this Trader Joe's 21 seasonings, and then from the Trader Joe's the onion salt. And just mixed all that together, and now I'm rolling it into little balls. I don't know if you can see. And then once I have all those rolled out, I'm just going to cook them in a little bit of water. Some I will save fresh to make soup with or do pasta with meatballs. And then the rest I'm going to freeze for other meals. We are on our way to Lowe's and maybe Home Depot, and oh, there's the sun, and maybe Big Lots. We have to get a couple supplies for our porches. I also want to add some shelves into the laundry / pantry, just because I have a lot of things just like piled up that need more room. So hopefully we'll get those today as well. But yeah. We just got home from Lowe's, Home Depot, and Big Lots, and Target. We made our rounds. And we bought a couple more shelves to put in the laundry room. I'll show you in a second. It's a mess in there because I don't have enough storage. Please excuse this horrible mess. So we put 2 shelves right here, and we're going to extend them right over there, but not too far so I don't end up hitting my head when I'm loading the dryer. Thanks to my sweet hubby, because it is like 9 o'clock at night. The shelves are almost installed. He just has to add a couple more screws. And I'm not loving it, but I think it'll be practical for space, and hopefully I could get rid of this ugly thing. So almost done, and then tomorrow I get to organize everything. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you all so much for watching. Sorry we didn't do anything too exciting, but I will show you the progress hopefully tomorrow once I clean the whole laundry room, and I will try to show you before pictures of what this room actually was, or I should say it wasn't really even a room. So it has come a long way. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.